Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited, and this is a special edition technical analysis commentary for today, the 6th of May 2025, on a variety of currencies in Asia against the US dollar, and on energy futures, specifically ICE Brent crude oil, NYMEX WTI crude oil, NYMEX heating oil, and NYMEX RBOB. So why am I making this special report? Well, it's because a number of interesting technical analysis features have cropped up at the same time in these currency pairs and in these energy futures that I wish to acquaint you with. Let's start with the currencies. And for this, I'll be looking at US dollar Thai baht, US dollar Korean won, and US dollar Taiwanese dollar. If we look at US dollar Thai baht first, at the end of April, that was during the middle of last week, the US dollar Thai baht had formed a monthly key reversal down. Now that's not an uncommon pattern. There were 8 others in April in the markets I cover. What was interesting here, and in the others mentioned, was that at the end of last week, the market had separately formed a weekly key reversal down during last week at the same time. This week, we have already seen a follow-on from these two coinciding patterns, the monthly key reversal down and the weekly key reversal down, with a new low here not seen since early October last year. If we now look at US dollar Korean won, we can see a similar pair of patterns. A monthly key reversal down formed during April and a weekly key reversal down formed at the end of last week. In this case, we have seen a follow-on lower today to new lows not seen since October last year. Finally, in US dollar Taiwanese dollar, we do not have the same pairing of patterns. Rather, we saw a monthly key reversal down in April, but last week did not even have the chance to form a weekly key reversal down as prices plummeted, losing, as at close of business yesterday compared to the close of business of April, something close to 9% in only a few days. Needless to say, all these three FX pairs have had impressive follow-on moves lower this week. Now, for those on my email distribution list, you would have received a heads-up email pointing these out on Thursday the 1st of May for the monthly patterns and over last weekend for the weekly patterns of last week. I now move on to the energy complex, and last month we had a monthly key reversal down for April in both NYMEX WTI crude oil futures and in ICE Brent crude oil futures. We have seen a follow-on lower since then, but it has been, how shall I put it, limited. Instead, I would like to draw your attention to the action we had last week, and that was in the products, notably NYMEX RBOB futures, which had a weekly key reversal down last week, again with a limited follow-on lower, and also in NYMEX heating oil futures, again with a limited follow-on lower. We did not see such a pattern in ICE gas oil futures. Now, the point I'm trying to get across is that almost the whole complex has had a follow-on lower to April's monthly key reversals down in WTI and in Brent, and it is worth considering what other technical patterns may be pressuring prices lower. I had also included these in my monthly and weekly heads-up email distribution, much as the earlier currency pairs. I think for all of these, the currencies and the commodities, it is worth paying special attention to in the days and weeks to come. Thank you for watching and listening. This special edition supplementary broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimers posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and at the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.